Hello everyone, Scary Skeleton Reactor here, bringing to you yet another reaction video. Now, this time I'm going to be reacting to a Transformers YouTube poop called Optiprimus Searches for the Rubik's Cube. Now this was requested to me by both Joshua Willis and Bloody Simpson Shyby, or Chyby, I'm not sure how he pronounces that name, but anyways, this is made by Alpaca Hawk. For those of you that don't remember Alpaca Hawk, he was the one who made Batman Is Not the Hero Gotham Deserves, which I really enjoyed. So now I'm going to be reacting to this one. So yeah, it's been a while since I've reacted to a video made by Alpaca Hawk. And this is a very long one, 10 minutes 27 seconds long. So let's just get right into it. So without further ado, let's get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Before time began, there was time.
Wrong?
Before
Okay.
time began, there was the Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube?
We know not where it comes from. We only know that it annoys us. And so began the war. A war that ravaged our planet until Megatron consumed all the languages and destroyed Cybertron's eBay.
eBay? Ain't all Sanders to destroy eBay.
Lost. Message of the Rubik's Cube.
Searching
Was to an unknown planet called Earth.
Alright, Transformers. Optiprimus searches for the Rubik's Cube.
Can't wait to get a little taste of home. I'm going to your mama's house today. I'm going to play cricket. I promise.
What?
Gators, I know how to speak Spanish. I mean, how many times have we don't speak English? Captain,
What?
you got a perfect day? I just can't wait to hold my baby girl for the first time. Shut up! Genealogy report. I decided to do it on my great-great-great-great-great-great-grandfather, who was a man, very famous explorer. In fact, he was one of the first to explore eBay.
eBay?
This here is the quadrant, which you can get for $80. It's all for sale, by the way. Sell me his liver, $80, which is a bargain. Pretty good, right?
What?
I'd say a solid B minus.
B minus?
A B minus? You were a crap.
And that's decent. Come on, a B minus. That sounds decent.
See my father? He's the guy in the green car. He looked at me in the eye. He said, "Son, I'm going to buy you a piece of crack, but I want you to bring me $2 and 3 A's. Okay? I got the $2 and I got 2 A's. Okay? Here's the dream. Your B minus, dream gone. Kaput. Sir, just ask yourself, what would Captain Archibald Witwicky do? Your grandfather would say a solid B minus.
I say take the B minus. Oh, Bernie Mac. So funny.
Here, no, what is this? You said I have a piece of crap, Dad. Son here, I'm gonna buy his first car. I'm dead. I got to run. Ladies and gentlemen, Secretary of Defense. Please be seated. Please be seated.
No one's even bothered.
Why you're here? I'm not sure exactly why you're here.
What?
I need your help to find out why you're here. The only
They
thing
need.
so far.
He needs their help to find out why they're there. That sounds pretty awesome, by the way.
No.
The Matrix.
This is my private area. My
Anthony Anderson.
And brew juice.
Brew juice?
Shush, Grandma.
What?
Shut up, Grandma.
What? Who says shut up to their grandma for?
Shut
Oh my god. The chicken dance. There's that song again.
Playing no video games again. Shut
Oh my god, why is he telling his grandma to shut up for?
My grandmama's talking. She don't like prune juice.
Prune juice. First we went from shut up grandma to prune juice.
Awesome. Get chased by my chloride now. I gotta go.
Chased by the chloride? Fell
I
off.
got the worst mother ever.
Worst mother ever? Why?
On my bike. So get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Ouch. That's gonna hurt.
What?
My name is Optiprimus.
Optimus Prime.
We are autonomous robotic organs, but you can call us Autobots for short. We are from the Pink Tron. We are
What?
from Star Wars.
Star
Our
Wars?
first lieutenant. Designation Ironhide. Sorry, my bad. Designation Jazz.
What is that? How do you learn to talk like that?
We've learned Earth's languages through eBay.
eBay?
My weapons specialist, Bumblebee. No. Sorry, my bad. My weapons specialist, Ironhide.
How did you mess up his name?
You feeling lucky,
It's
punk?
not Bumblebee.
Just kidding. You already know Ratchet.
No.
Sorry, my bad.
How many times is Optimus Prime gonna say sorry, my bad?
Level suggests he wants to build an army and destroy the female.
Destroy the female? Oh my god, that's
You
bad.
already know Jazz.
Why are you here?
We are here looking for the Rubik's Cube. The coordinates to the cube's location on Earth were imprinted on his glasses.
On his
What about
glasses?
his glasses? eBay.
Obviously, eBay.
I ate the whole plate. The whole plate.
Really? There's still food on the plate.
She did it! She did it! She's the one you want! Okay, I go home now. Alright? Hey, I am not going to jail. Alright, I was just sitting at home. I downloaded a couple of thousand songs off the internet. I am not going to jail. I downloaded a couple of thousand songs off the internet. Shut up! You shut up! Don't talk to me! Don't talk to me! Don't talk to me! Shut up!
Oh my god. So much shut ups in here. How many times am I gonna hear shut up?
That's what's up. I'm looking for Neo.
Oh, how many times is he gonna keep answering the door? If I were him, I'd stop answering the door. Oh my god.
You're not taking my fish.
Fish?
No, but I'm gonna call the fish cops.
The fish cups?
Something fishy going on.
Obviously, call the fish cups because something fishy is going on.
I bought a car. Turned out to be a car.
What?
Oh no.
The code. The code on these glasses indicates the Rubik's Cube is 230,000 miles from here. I sense the Decepticons are getting ready to mate with the female Ratchet.
Oh my
What
god.
about Bumblebee?
Really?
Chances being to die. Bumblebee fails at life. We must leave Bumblebee behind.
Leave Bumblebee behind?
Roll out.
What I have in the case.
Didn't he just say that Bumblebee is not coming with them?
It's classified above top secret.
I love this song. Yeah, that's for all the haters of this song who don't like Never Gonna Give You Up. This is my favorite song.
Where are the mics? See, story doesn't work without mics. No!
Glenn,
Shut up! Talk to me, criminal!
can you hotwire
Oh
this
my
computer
God.
to transmit a tone through the radio?
What good is that?
Morse code, you can use this to transmit it through that.
What good is that?
Again,
Okay, I'll do it. See, Simmons, I need prune juice.
prune juice. Again with the prune juice.
Screwdriver. Yes, I downloaded a couple of songs.
You want to pay for me? You want to pay? No. I want two.
I work too.
You want to pay for me?
Did he say I work to or I want to?
Cut the tire. Sorry, my bad.
Sorry, but Iron Man.
You must be able to see it, Mr. Anderson.
Matrix Revolutions.
I'm never giving you this all smoke.
Why, Mr. Anderson? Why? Why do you persist?
That's from Spider-Man 2. Is he playing what?
Risk your chest to protect the Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
This all smoke. This piece of crap.
If I cannot eat Megatron, I must push the cube into your chest. I will sacrifice you to destroy it.
Pizza time.
Pizza
It's
time?
you and me, Megatron. No, it's just me, Prime. Sorry, my bad.
How many times is he gonna say sorry, my bad?
Just now. No, Sam.
Oh, it's not fair.
With the Rubik's Cube gone, we cannot return eBay to our planet.
eBay.
We failed. I am Optiprimus, and I send this message to any surviving Autobots taking refuge among the stars. The humans have eBay.
The humans have eBay. Directed by Michael Bay.
Blow up the city.
What?
What's playing no video games like
Oh, the grandma.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh my goodness. That was way too funny. And oh man. Except I keep hearing shut up and sorry, my bad. Those are the top 3 phrases that I kept hearing throughout the whole YouTube poop. Sorry, my bad, shut up, and prune juice. Oh man. That was really hilarious. Alright, that was Optiprimus searches for the Rubik's Cube. And this was way too funny, and yeah, and thanks for requesting this, Joshua Willis and Bloody Simpson Shy By. Man, that was hilarious. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do for the day. I mean, I did 3 for my second channel and this one here for my main channel. So, 4 videos in one day. I mean, it's not that much, but it's pretty much the best I can do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this reaction video. You know the drill. Please like, please subscribe. If you guys have requests, comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next reaction video. And please do not hate on Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give You Up. That song is a classic. Peace.